For any other information, how the step we start this project is, first, I'm the one who finds the information of all these material costs by suppliers, and then my teammates, Amani, the one who solved the equation that I gave, and Izati is the one who write our report project, and then Nur Shahira, the one who do the slides for our presentation today. That's how we do our project and our brainstorm from each members. So we're going to continue with our introduction. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Juliana, and my other team member is Fatul Razati binti Rusli, Amani Khalida, and Nur Shahira. So today we are going to present to you about mathematics assignment, which is solve matrix problem by the problem given. So we choose the problem 3, which is material cost in the project. So in this project, we need to calculate the matrices problem by using the
inversion.
The material given. So we're going to move to introduction. What we are going to talk about in project management and financial planning, estimating material cost accurately is crucial for ensuring the success in any project. So this report focuses on mathematical approach to determining the cost of material required for a specific project. So the project involves 3 essential materials, like I say, steel, woods, and plastics, and each material comes with its own varying cost depending on quantity required and the rates charged by different suppliers. So, as such, finding an efficient and precise method to calculate this cost is a vital step in managing resource effectively. So, we need to make our own equation and do the calculation by ourselves in this project. And besides that, by these materials given, we are planning to make mini house model. So we're gonna continue with next number.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatul Razati, and the second one is objective. We have 5 objectives for this mini house model. Number 1 is discuss the theoretical background and step-by-step implementation of Cramer rules and the inverse method. Number 2 is demonstrate their use, talk, practical examples, and computational analysis. Number 3 is formulate equation to represent the total material cost for steel, wood, and plastic based on their quantity and supplier rates. Number 4 is use the metric inverse method to calculate the expense for each material in mini house model. The last is verify the result using Cramer rules. The next is my friend is Amani can continue to calculate inverse method and Cramer rules. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Amani Khalida, and I will tell about the calculation about our problem. The first one is inverse method. So from what we have been discussed, this is our equations. So the x, y, z is from determinant A, like the usual determinant A, same as the inverse method. And then we find the for determinant A for A1. A1, we take the value of the total cost and we put it in the first column. And then we do like the same as the determinant A. So we got the total is negative 60. For determinant A2, we take the value of the total cost, we put it as we put it in the second column, and then I forgot to tell that after we copy the equations matrix in matrix equation, we need to copy back the first and the second column. Same as for determinant A1, we copy back the column 1 and the column 2. Okay, for determinant A2, we got the total is negative 90, and the lastly is determinant A3. Determinant A3, we got negative 120. Okay, and lastly, to find the total of x is take determinant A1 and we divide it with determinant A. We got the x is 10. So the next for the y, we take determinant A2, divide it with determinant A. We got counter is 15, and lastly for z, we take determinant A3 and divide it with determinant A. We got 20.
It's session 20 and today I will talk about conclusion. In conclusion, mathematical method like the inverse method and Cramer's rule help determine material cost by analyzing the relationship between quantities and supply price. Using matrix ensure accurate financial planning while verifying results from multiple methods enhance reliability. This approach is valuable in business